And welcome to Hackman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys how should you trade stock if you're not sure about its direction. Now there are many ways that you can recognize a certain stock, the direction of a certain stock. Now for this video I'm going to specifically show, like, there are three different types of there are three directions in the stock for a certain stock in which it can go. So the first direction is the upward trend. Like, there are three trends, I would say, not direction or something. There are three trends. First there is an uptrend, second there is a downtrend, and the third there is a side trend. So these are the three types of trends in which a certain stock can go. So how to recognize this type of a trend for a stock for which you want to trade. Now it is for those stock which does not show any direction, or which you're not sure about its direction or trend of how it will perform, or which way will it continue, its trend. So let's get started with the video, and let me show you how to recognize certain direction and how to trade a certain stock when you're not sure about it. So this is just, I pulled up a random stock. Now let me add some indicators. You can use any indicators you like I'm using these two, so I'm comfortable using these indicators. So you can use any of them, you can choose any of the indicators you want. The first is this method. That you use this method. This specifically used for the uptrend, for identifying uptrends. Now it confirmed itself at 1, 2, 3 and 4 different points. This is the fifth. So just wait for it and see how well it goes ahead, or how it performs. So this is the first method. So the second method is that for a downtrend, you will have to recognize it in this manner. So for a downtrend it is this manner. So it confirmed its position once. So it's not for now, when it confirms its position, like, it confirmed once and it does the same thing twice, so that it is a downtrend. So now let's identify a side trend. So this is a strong resistance level, and you can see it's a strong resistance level. So for this point, for you to trade, now this is another method that you should use while trading stocks. So this is another method that would help you identify different the direction of the trend. So at this point you can see this is a strong support level, and this is a strong resistance level. So once this break its resistance level and start to move upward, start to trade upward, what it means that this is now an uptrend and it will continue its upward motion. So so this is the another method that you could use for trading stocks effectively, for recognizing the direction of a trend. Now this stock will specifically move upward if it breaks this resistance level. You can save this chart by clicking this and save it, give it a name and save, and click on save. So you can save this chart for later analysis. Now there is other method as well that you could use for identifying the direction of a trend. Your moving average was a 9-day moving average. Shift it to like 200-day moving average. So this is the 200-day moving average, and you can see the stock is trading above the 200-day moving average. So for this point, for the support and resistance level, I would say that this stock would go upward. And for this, from this point of view, from the 200-day moving average, I would say that this would be a downtrend. So like, there are two things that you can consider right here. So for the 200-day moving average, this is a downtrend, and for the support and resistance level, there is a possibility, like, it might be an uptrend or it might be a downtrend. So if it break this resistance level and move upward, it is an uptrend. So it always confirms its position, like it moves in this manner, come back down, touch this resistance level, and then move upward. So it confirms its position. So that confirmation point is a great entry point. The same is with this case. If it confirms its position from the downside, from at this area, and then it start to move upward, so what it means that this is a downtrend. Stock is moving in a downward direction, and a short sell at that point, because from short selling you can also make money out of it when the stock is going downward. So this also these are two methods that these are the two possibilities in this stock which will help you recognize the direction of trend. Now there is another indicator as well that I frequently use while identifying the direction of it. It is the Ichimoku cloud. For the Ichimoku cloud, I would also say that this is a downtrend. So do not invest in it. So let me load previous data so I can guess that what it will do ahead. I would say that this is a downtrend. So anyhow, if you still want to invest in this stock, I'm going to show you a method on the basis of which you can invest in it. So let me move these. Now if you want to invest in this portion, click on this, apply this at this point. This is the risk to reward ratio. You can adjust it according to your need, according to your risk tolerance. So I would fix it at this point. So this is my support level. I've kept this as my stop loss. So if it touches the support level and started to go downward, I'm going to sell the stock and buy another stock. So if it moves upward in this direction, then I'm going to stick to this stock and will wait for it of how it will perform in the future. So these were some of the methods that you could that would help you recognize different stocks, like that will help you recognize the trend of the stocks of in which way it is going. So if you're not sure to trade, and it will also help you assure that in which way the stock is moving. So, and that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.